Hey everyone, this is Jeff from Everyday Tech Vids, and today I'm doing something a little different. So what's different about this video today is that one thing I get a lot of questions on actually has nothing to do with tech, it actually has to do with my beard. So a quick little backstory before I scoot into this review. I actually couldn't even grow almost any facial hair until I was about 25, and I'm gonna be making a video on how to grow a beard because I really think it's important to learn a few things, and when you try and Google that term, like how to grow a beard, everybody just goes, grow a beard, man. And that's not really helpful because that's not actually what your question was. I do get a lot of questions about my beard on the channel, and I really wanted to make a video reviewing some of my favorite beard products. So right now, the company that I've been most interested in, and I wanted to do an unboxing of one of their main sort of collections, is called SCOTCH Porter. I had SCOTCH Porter recommended to me a while ago, and I was fortunate enough that they actually sent me some samples to try out of their products. And the video's not being paid for, I'm not getting compensated anything, these opinions are my own. But today I wanted to start off with an unboxing to kind of show you what their ultimate collection comes with. I was also fortunate enough that they were able to get me hooked up with some of their CBD as well. They have a line of products that are similar to their others, but they're all infused with CBD. So I'm very interested to try those out as well, and I'll make a review once I've tried them out. Had some time to try all these beard products out. Now, one thing I really like is that they include kind of everything in these ultimate collections. So you get a wash, a conditioner, kind of like a oil or a serum, I think they call it, and then you get a balm. And all of these do something a little different, but it's kind of nice when a company has thought out all of those products. So you don't have to get a wash from one company, a conditioner for another, you know, a beard oil from another, and a balm from another. You can actually get them all from them, and they kind of work really well in tandem. All right, so for the unboxing, I actually started by checking out the beard wash itself. So they do talk a lot about how this is good for keeping your beard kind of, you know, soft, shiny, healthy, all that good stuff, and just does a really good job of cleansing it. Now the next thing that they had was their Nourishing Beard Conditioner. Now the beard conditioner comes in like a little tin, so I'm kind of, or like a little, yeah, like a little round thing. So I'm kind of interested how that's going to work in the shower. I'll have to give it a try and let everyone out there know how it goes. But yeah, it does come in kind of like a little round tin. But again, conditioners are good to really deeply condition and soften your beard. And if you're not conditioning your beard right now, you're really missing out, because that's also going to help get rid of some of that like frizziness. It's going to tame it a little bit so you can actually get your beard under control. So then we move on to their beard serum. Now again, this is kind of in that same vein of decreasing frizz, trying to keep it a little more mellow. And I have read on a few different places that it's actually really good for those oils, like you get them all over the beard itself, but if a little bit of that gets to your skin like some of the other products, it's actually good to help keep a healthy sort of like skin quality under the beard, which is also very important. I mean, you gotta take care of your skin, and that's under hair, but it's still worth taking care of. And last but not least, they also offer a balm, and the balm goes on and kind of does the, you know, a lot of those similar things too. It's gonna help reduce frizz, but also usually balms add a little bit of matte. This one might be shiny, I'll have to double check and let you guys know. I did take a smell of most of the products too, and right away on first impression, it's very mellow. It's not like a cologne or something like that, which I actually really appreciate. It's also kind of earthy too. Most of them have a very earthy smell to them. I think I read on their site that he described one of them as like a powdery musk, and that's actually really accurate. It's not overpowering, which is good, because I've always said that if you want to smell good, you want people to be leaning into you, not leaning away from you. So if some of the oils I've tried in the past, they're almost like cologne. They're just so powerful that like the smell just radiates, and that's not quite what you're looking for. Alright, so I'm really excited to try these products out over the next few weeks. I'll give you a full review of the products once I've had time to kind of try them out, make sure they're working well for me. Or if they don't, I'll let you know what I think of them. If you have any questions, please do leave a comment in the comments below. I will be making a video actually called How to Grow a Beard, so hopefully I'll be launching that pretty soon here too. But I'm very excited to try out these SCOTCH Porter products. I'll put in the description box, I'll put a link to their website so you can check it out.